Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Mediatek suddenly not working in Windows. First method is power flush. Computer. First step is, shut down your computer, remove all connected peripheral devices and disconnect power cables. Second step is, press and hold power button 60 seconds. Third step is, reconnect power cable, turn on computer. Laptop. First step is, shut down your laptop and disconnect power cable, remove laptop battery. Second step is, press and hold power button 60 seconds. Third step is, reconnect battery and power cable. Turn on laptop. Second method is open any browser. Type manufacturer name with drivers. Click View PC Support. Click Browse Product. Select Product Mode. Select drivers and software. Click Networking Wireline LAN. Select Mediatek Wireless LAN driver. Click Download. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.